I would say that is somewhat the case. I definitely felt that in my first year of political science course, which had, I think, 1,200 students at Convocation Hall. I really was enticed to take advantage of office hours more, just because um, often the professor just stood on stage, and while there were question periods, a lot of your questions or your concerns would not be able to be answered during the 2 hour class that it was. So I really took advantage of office hours then. At the same time, though, the French course that I'm taking right now, even though the class is less than 50 students, I've still found that office hours have been great because, especially with a language course of that nature, having one-on-one help with the professor really has helped me out.
I've been really fortunate to have some pretty mid-sized classes. Most of my classes over my 5 years have ranged generally between 40 and 70 people. I do find that if it is a little bit bigger, I will be more likely to go, um, either because the material is going a little bit more quickly or because there's too many people in class to maybe ask a question right then and there. Um, but it wouldn't stop me from going if it was a small class as well. So even with my classes of 20 people, I would definitely still take advantage of office hours and go see profs.
I'm actually the opposite. I'm more inclined to go to the office hours of, if the class is smaller, just because I guess I'm more confident that the professor will know who I am.
Well, regardless, I think that the office hours at U of T are an invaluable resource, and if I find that I need more help in a larger class size, I'll definitely go, but that doesn't deter me from going in small class sizes as well.
Most of my classes are pretty small, so I don't go to office hours that much. So I think, yeah, I don't think it's as necessary for smaller classes.
I think the size of class definitely matters. I had a class, I think it was like creative writing, and it was only a class of about 20 people, so it's about roughly the size of like a high school, even smaller actually. And I really loved that class and the teacher as well, so I really liked that class, and it made me encourage myself to go to her own office hours during that time because it was such a smaller class, so much more personalized, right? But also in larger classes, I mean, it is harder to try and talk to the teacher, but in the same time, since it's a larger class, it kind of makes you want to talk to the teacher more because you want that personal experience.